Martini. Extra Dry Martini is a cocktail made with gin and drops of Dry Vermouth and garnished with an olive or lemon twist. Dry Martini has become one of the best classic cocktails in the world. To start with, you have to chew the glass. $75 ml of gin. Stir it up to 20-25 seconds. With the water, the ice, drop Dry Vermouth. This is different, they are not the same preparation like a Dry Martini. Dry Martini is included inside the ingredients, but this extra Dry Martini is like this. So after that one, we have to throw it. And now is the gin. Is your garnish. Enjoy your extra Dry Martini.